is Firdaus. Hello, my name is Saskia Wahyuni.
Hello, my name is Anggun Raswana.
Hello, my name is Faizatul Nabila.
Hello, my name is Nabila Anggraini.
Hello, my name is Aqila Nur Azzahra.
Are you coughing?
Yes,
Do you want me to buy medicine for you?
I already have a medicine last night, but I don't get it yet.
Oh, looks like you need a herbal drink.
But what kind of herbal drink ya? Hello everyone! Welcome to our video. Today we will show you guys how to make herbal drink to relieve your cold. The ingredient is so simple. Is there honey and there is lime. So if anyone you guys feel cold lately,
It's me.
oh my god, me too.
For me, when I'm coughing, I'm usually confused about what medicine to take. However, this herbal drink turns out to be a natural solution.
That's right, besides being delicious, this herbal drink is also easy to make at home. So, let's just get started!
Here are the ingredients we need: honey, lime, warm water.
Honey has antibacterial properties to help strengthen tooth, while lime is rich vitamin C to increase the body immunity.
Don't forget to use fresh lime and natural honey for maximum result. So we start cutting the lime. Then separate the seeds first, so the seeds don't get in. Then squeeze the release into a glass.
Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey into the glass. Now, that's enough, but if you like it sweet, you can add a little more of honey. Enter warm water.
Make sure the water is not hot so that the honey nutrients are maintained.
Now mix well. If you want, you can add a little cinnamon for spicy taste.
It's really fresh. The lime suits the throat and the honey has a sweet taste.
I really like it. This is suitable to be taken in the morning or at night before going to bed, usually when cold. You all of guys have to try it at home. It's so simple, right?
Number 1. Weight loss. Lemon and honey water is a great way to start your day. When you add a few drops of honey and a tablespoon of lemon juice to warm water, it helps your body burn more fat by boosting your metabolic activity. This magic mixture also detoxifies your body and improves your digestion. Lemons also contain pectin, which is a group of polysaccharides with gelling properties. It aids in the reduction of obesity by combating the desire for unnecessary and unhealthy snacking. But how much of it you should consume in order to lose weight? Well, adults should consume 65-90 milligrams of honey and lemon water for weight loss benefits. Number 2. Heart diseases could be prevented. Lemon honey water may indeed be good for the heart. It can help lower blood pressure and work against dilating blood arteries. It also helps with blood flow by removing extra water from the body through urination. Consuming honey and lemon water may also help to lower cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. This natural drink also contains limonene, potassium, and antioxidants, which may reduce your risk of heart disease even further. According to one study, fasting with honey and lemon juice for as few as 4 days may lower body weight, BMI, fat mass, and triglycerides. All these effects lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and heart attacks. Number 3. It keeps kidney stones away. Lemons are high in citric acid, which aids in the fight against kidney stones by increasing the citrate levels of the urine. Regular lemon juice with honey not only relieves kidney stone pain, but it also dissolves kidney stones more effectively. So if you are prone to kidney stones, start using this mixture right away. Number 4. Source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C, commonly known as ascorbic acid, is required for the formation, growth, and repair of all bodily tissues. It is involved in several bodily functions, including collagen production, iron absorption, immune system function, wound healing, cartilage, bone, and tooth maintenance. This amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory vitamin are believed to improve skin tone and texture and reduce the effects of aging. Including vitamin C in your skincare routine will not only brighten your complexion, but also prevent it from sun damage and damaging free radicals. You can get all these benefits by adding lemon and honey water to your daily routine. Number 5. Strengthens digestion. Some people drink warm water with lemon and honey first thing in the morning to avoid constipation and keep their digestive system healthy and moving. It stimulates the production of stomach acid and bile. It results in the simple and systematic breakdown of food particles, as well as the seamless absorption of essential nutrients for the human body. This magic mixture also helps in the removal of waste materials from your body. So either you use it to digest better or remove waste materials. It's a win-win situation for you. Number 6. Immune system improvement. Drinking warm water with lemon and honey is excellent for fighting infections. This magic mixture has some amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is a natural antioxidant that boosts the immune system and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Not only vitamin C, but lemon also contains saponin, which is a phytochemical that aids in the treatment of various respiratory diseases. You'll be surprised to know that this magic mixture was used in ancient times to treat diseases that involve the respiratory system. In ancient Egypt, there is evidence that it was used to treat patients with asthma. So, lemon water mixed with honey is an excellent way to improve the body's ability to fight infections. Number 7. Your body's detoxification. With the increased use of fertilizers and chemicals in food products, more and more toxins accumulate in the skin, liver, and respiratory tract daily. Honey and lemon water are high in antioxidants and can help keep your body free of these toxins and free radicals. Other than that, this mixture is also proven to give instant energy because of the honey in it. Want a refreshing head start in the morning? Start drinking lemon and honey water in the morning right away. Number 8. Caffeine substitution. Working people frequently consume beverages such as tea or coffee. Drinking warm lime water with honey to re-energize yourself is one of the best caffeine substitutes. Tea and coffee dehydrate you and increase the acidity in your body. While we can all agree that coffee has its own health benefits and is very delicious, but there's a drink that's even better: lemon and honey water. As a result, to revitalize yourself, consume this cocktail of nutrients and energy first thing in the morning and before going to bed. You can also take this mixture to work and revitalize yourself whenever needed. Some possible side effects. Everything has advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, too much lemon and honey have negative consequences. The acid found in lemons may cause gastric issues, such as acid reflux or heartburn. If you already have any gastric issue, you should start with small amounts before incorporating them into your daily diet. Tooth decay is another potential side effect of drinking too much of this magic mixture. Why? Because lemons contain high levels of citric acid, which can harm your tooth enamel if consumed on a regular basis. So avoid erosion by using a diluted mixture of lemon and honey water, as it makes your teeth sensitive to hot and cold temperatures. Also, if you consume too much of this beverage, you may need to urinate frequently. As with all foods, moderation is key, so don't drink too much at any given time.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share it to your friend.
And if you have other tips or herbal recipes, write them in the comment columns.
See you in the next video. Stay healthy and don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye bye.
Bye bye.